Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this time I will show you how to make bucket use Solidworks like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, go to right plane. Active center line. Click this point to this point. Active line. Click this point to this point and this point. Active 3-point arc. Click this point to this point. Make a semi-circle. Click this arc and this line. Make tangent. Active smart dimension. Click this line and this point. Make distance to 150 mm. Make this line length is 100 mm. Make this circle radius is 5 mm. Active sketch fillet. Click this point. OK. Click this line and this line. Make angle 95 degree. Go to surface. Click reverse surface. OK. I don't want to show this edge. Delete this feature. Go to edit sketch. Active fit spline. Click this line, this line, this line and this line. Uncheck close spline. OK. Active revolve surface again. Click this axis line. OK. See, this edge looks smooth. Active thicken. Click this face. Make parameter thicken is 1.5 mm. OK. Now surface part be a solid part. Go to right plane. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Click center line. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Make this center line length is 230 mm. And make this circle diameter is 20 mm. Active linear sketch pattern. Use direction y-axis. Click this circle. Make distance parameter 25 mm. And make 9 circle. OK. Active extrude cut. Cut this bucket surface. Active circular pattern. Click this cut extrude. Click this edge for direction. OK. See, bucket is ready. And I want this bucket color like plastic. Choose high gloss. Choose green color. Maybe this one. I think black is better. Okay. See, bucket is ready. I think this is the end of tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.